Okay, so today I will be showing you guys how to do your letters on your Innovis1600E embroidery brother machine. This machine is strictly an embroidery machine. It does come with some fonts. It comes with some shapes. It comes with a little bit of designs. It comes with a whole bunch of other little stuff that's kind of highlighted, but it has a large 6x10 embroidery hoop. Sorry, that light is kind of... It has some built-in embroidery designs, including alphabets. Some Japanese fonts. Y'all, that light is so bright. And a LCD touch screen, so it do touch screen, and it cuts your stitches for you. Okay. This machine is my first embroidery machine. It's supposed to cut the threads. It's supposed to, this little latch right here, the thread catches it and it automatically puts it inside the needle for you. So it does a whole lot starting off. It have not given me any issues since I had it, and I had it for almost about a year and a half now. So if you're looking to start your own embroidery business, starting off, this is a good machine. If you can't afford the multi-needle machine, then this machine right here, you know, it's good for starters. So anyway, what I do is I touch, oh, sorry, let me go back. I touch the letter, and you can pick any font you want depending on what design you're gonna do. So I'm just gonna pick a random one. I'm gonna pick number 2, and I'm just gonna select some letters. I probably did just do like a word and you can see it right here. And if you want to add numbers, you can touch that. Money signs, any other signs you want to add, you just touch the second one. And this one is like Japanese, I'm assuming, letters, or like small letters. I'm not sure. I rarely use that one, but I'm just gonna stick with the ones that I know. You can do large, medium, or small. Okay, I'm gonna stick with the large just so you can see clearly what I'm doing. You can hit set right here, and as you can see, I need to clean this. There's my letter. This is my word and. So I can hit move, and I can move it to the left or to the right, to the center, up, down, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to keep it in the center and press OK. The size would be like, it's pretty much showing you the size that it'll be inside your hoop. Okay, I usually don't bother that. I just keep it how it is. This is what you want to do. This is rotate. If you want your words at any angle, you just play around with these 6 buttons, okay? So 90-degree angle, of course, there it is. It just moved like sideways. I'm sure you can kind of move it. Now it's kind of like at the bottom. It's the opposite, and it's back to normal. And then this one, this is the angle where you can kind of slant, have it a little leaning kind of at a 70-degree angle, and then just keep going on. This one is just a small, like 83, 84. So you just move it number by number, and then we're back at kind of like where we started, okay? You can always reset it, and it'll take it back to your original letter, word. So, okay. And then this one right here is the same thing. It's all of it is the same. So you got this one is the same and this one is the same. You just play around with these 6 little buttons and see exactly how you want it, and just reset it to how you want it, okay? So it's easy. The machine operates smooth. It's not difficult. It's not hard. What I want to show you is if I want to embroider something, this right here is all my saved designs. So I could just press my folder. This embroidery machine picture shows that these are all of my designs saved on my machine by itself. And this right here is my USB cord. That's my designs that's hooked up to my embroidery machine. I hope that makes sense. So if I click this one, it's saying I don't have enough memory, so I gotta delete something if I want to save something, which that the and word we just designed, if I want to save it, I have to delete any one of these designs in order for and to be saved into my embroidery machine. Okay, so these are all my designs that I have saved on my machine. And if I go back out and go to my USB and hit, I'm going to just go back out so I can delete, and I want to cancel this. I don't want to keep it. But if I go back here, you see this right here that's highlighted, that's kind of darkened out, this giraffe. That means that the design was way too big for the size of the machine. So it would not allow me to do this design. See, it's saying the pattern is too large for the extra large embroidery frame. So I couldn't do that design. So I kind of had to play with it and try to get my design as to where it fits my hoop. That's the only downfall about the machine. It can't do extra large designs, but it do a good amount of designs. I say at least from newborn all the way up to at least 8 or 9 years old. I have done some adult designs depending on actually where you buy the design. It fits pretty big. It just really depends on where you purchase your design and how the design layout is, if that makes sense. But anyway, these are my designs that's on my USB cord. I am doing some names on bibs, and these are just all the ones that I plan on doing that's in my machine. So if I go back and you want to add like a letter that has little flowers on it, you can add these letters. It go all the way up to, I think, Z. And then it has little flowers. You want to add some flowers to a design. Let me show you guys this real quick. So if I want to, let's do Blippi. If I want to add Blippi, see him right here? I don't want to move Blippi. I don't want to resize Blippi. I don't want to rotate Blippi. So what I'm going to do is I want to add to Blippi. I'm going to go to my USB and I am going to add the name Carly, right? And I'm going to hit set. So once I hit set, as you can see, there's Carly name. So guys, this is super duper easy to learn. Okay, and if I want to move her name, because it's, see how it just popped up on top of his lip, I don't want my design to stitch out just like this. I want it to be neat and nice looking. So what I'm gonna have to do is kind of move her name from his lip. So all you have to do is just hold this and just hold it with your hand, and it moves. It moves wherever you want it to move to. Okay, just like that. And then all you got to do is hit end, edit end. That means I don't want to edit it anymore. I don't want to add to it. I want to just go ahead and end it. So with this part here, it's telling you if you want to move it up, if you want to move it down, if you want to hit it in the center, if you want to move it over, whatever the case may be, if you want to trace it, if you want to save it. What I want to do is just embroider it. You hit embroider, and there it is. It's going to start embroidering your whole design. And it's 68 minutes, and it has 10 designs that it's going to do, okay? So that's it for that one. You can go always hit the back button, and I want to cancel this. I don't want to do this design anymore. I'm just going to hit OK, and you're back to where you started, okay? So this Innovis 1600, this Innovis, NQ1600E, it's a very good embroidery machine in my opinion. I love it. It does everything for me. It does the cutting, the threading. It tells you about your designs, if it's incompatible, if it's too big. You can always add to it. It's touch screen. It's pretty easy to manage, easy to handle, especially if you're a beginner. So I know it's a short video, but I just wanted to give you guys a rundown on the machine. And I want to show you the hoop if I can find it. So here's my hoop right here. It's pretty big. I have it hooped up with this Elmo fabric. I'm gonna do some bibs out of it, and it's a pretty nice size, guys. So it's pretty big, and it's enough starting off, especially if you want to do baby designs, t-shirt, onesies, whatever the case may be. You just have to do your research, and if you don't want to spend a whole lot of money or put a down payment and keep paying monthly on those machines, this ran me roughly around about I want to say $1,500 if I'm not mistaken. But it came with scissors, thread, the hoop, some stabilizer, a guide, designs, a book, a CD. It came with a whole bunch of stuff, and it's well worth it. Like, I love my machine. I wouldn't trade it for anything, but your preference is your preference. I just really wanted to show you guys how to do these letters, how to incorporate them, and how to incorporate anything into a current design. And so there you have it. If y'all have any more questions, I'll be more than happy to answer to the best of my ability. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video.